this is a short grammar presentation on conjunctions. So, what is this conjunction? Conjunction is a part of speech we use to connect words, phrases, clauses, and sentences. Here are some commonly used conjunctions like and, but, or, so, because. These are the conjunctions I will be looking in this presentation. Okay. So our next question is, why do we need conjunctions? Well, conjunctions are used to give more information, give alternatives, give reasons, give results, or give unexpected informations. So we use it to make our sentences more complex, more interesting, as well as meaningful. So the first conjunction which I will be discussing with you all is and. Okay, so why do we use and? We use and to connect words and sentences. This you will understand with the help of example given here. See the first sentence, I like chocolate and bananas. So over here the word and is conjunctions and it has been used to connect two words. Okay. See the next example. My brother can play violin and he can sing. So in this sentence, the word and is conjunction and it has been used to connect two sentences. So and is used to connect words and sentences. Our next conjunction which I will be explaining is but. So why do we use but? We use but to show contrast. Okay, this you will understand with the help of example given. I like oranges but I don't like strawberries. So over here it shows contrast, and we also see here conjunctions connect any two parts of sentences. What is the first part? I like oranges. And what is the second part? I don't like strawberries. So these are the two sentences and it has joined two sentences and it has shown the contrast. Okay, let's see the example. My sister can ride a bicycle but she can't drive. So over here the word but is conjunction and it has been used to show contrast. Our next conjunction is or. So when do we use or? We use or to introduce an alternative. Okay, when there is a choice, when we want to give some choice to someone. Okay, see the example here. Would you like to have tea or coffee? Okay, so it shows the alternative. Okay, next sentence, we can go to zoo on Saturday afternoon or Sunday morning. So the word or is a conjunction here and it introduces alternative. Okay, our next conjunction is so. So when do we use so? We use so to express a result. Okay, see the sentence here. She was very tired, so she went to bed early. So it means it has shown a result. Why? Like she was tired, so she went to bed early. So what is the result here? The result was that she went to bed early. Okay, see the next sentence. I studied hard, so I passed the test. Okay, so over here the word so shows a result. It expresses a result. She passed the test because she studied hard. Okay, so I passed the test is the result over here. Next sentence. He played football in the rain, so he got sick. So what is the result at the end? He got sick. Okay, so over here the word so expresses result. Our next conjunction is because. Why do we use because? We use because to express a reason for something when we want to express some reasons. For example, I passed the test because I studied hard. So, what is the reason behind passing the test? To study hard. Next example, he was sick because he had played football in the rain. So, why he was sick? There is a reason, and what is the reason? Because he had played football in the rain. Next example, she went to bed early because she was tired. Okay, so why did she go to bed early? Because she was tired. So, the conjunction because expresses the result. I hope all these conjunctions are clear to you. And one more thing we have noticed over here, that uh, because and so are linked. So is used to express the result, whereas because is used to express a reason for something. I hope all these conjunctions are clear to you. If you have any doubt, you may ask your queries in the comment box. And if you liked my video, please press the like button. And if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it. I will be back soon with new lesson. Till then, happy learning. Take care. Bye bye.